What's your name?
My name is James.
Have you ever had a crush on your teacher?
Yes, no, and you.
Who was your celebrity crush in childhood?
Don't know.
If you ever wanted to keep an animal, which one would you keep?
To the dog.
What is the most dangerous movie you have ever seen?
Horror movies and...
Have you ever imitated a woman?
No. I did not copy anyone.
Have you ever worn a girl's clothes?
Yes, when I was in school.
Have you ever worn makeup?
Never. And you do makeup?
Have you ever flirted with a stranger girl?
Yes, not at all.
How many prank calls have you made in your life so far?
Once when I was in college.
What was your funniest nickname as a child?
My nickname was John.
How many selfies do you take in a day?
I have no regrets about selfies.
What do you think is your worst habit?
I don't have any bad habits.
Have you ever run away after ringing the doorbell of your neighbor's house?
Yes, many times when I was in school, I used to run away after playing with my friends.
Have you ever made a sign for your parents to avoid being scolded by the teacher?
No, never did this work.
Have you ever tried walking wearing girls' heels?
No, never, and you wear it only.
What's the funniest dream you've ever had and want to make it come true?
Yes, I have a dream to become a doctor.
Have you been caught doing something and felt embarrassed?
When I was in school, I used to keep books hidden.